p.233, problem number 23. Find the exponential model, y equals a times e to the bx power, that fits the point 0, 1 and 3, 10. Okay, so what we're going to have to do here is plug these points into this equation and solve for both a and b. Now, the first point we're given is a 0 value, 0, comma 1. That's very important. We're going to plug that one in first for x and for y. So let's rewrite this point. Instead of writing y equals, I'm going to write 1 equals. And instead of writing a times e to the bx power, I'm going to say a times e to the b times 0 power. Now here's why that's important. B times 0 is going to be equal to 0. E to the 0, well, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So I have 1 equals a times 1, which just tells me that a is equal to 1. Whoops, why did I write 0 there? A equals 1. So now that I know that, I'm going to plug 1 in place of a. Now I can plug the other x and y value in here and solve for b. So let's do all of that. So instead of writing y equals, I'm going to write 10 equals. Instead of writing a, I'm going to write 1 times e to the b times, instead of writing x, I'm going to write 3. Okay, now I need to solve this for b. It's an exponential equation because I have b, my variable, in my exponent. So I know I'm going to have to take the logarithm of both sides. Let's take the natural log of both sides. So if I take the natural log of the left side, the natural log of the right side, that will allow me to move this out in front of my logarithm. So I have the natural log of 10 is equal to b times 3 times the natural log of e. Well, natural log of e is equal to 1, so I don't need to write that at all. To solve for b, I can divide both sides by 3, so that gives me b is equal to the natural log of 10 divided by 3. Now there's my exact answer. Let's use our calculator to get a decimal approximation. So I can type in here the natural log of 10 divided by 3, and I get b is approximately equal to 0.768. Now, careful. That's not my final answer. To do my final answer, I know what a is equal to. I know what b is equal to. Let's plug those back in here. So my equation is y equals 1 times e to the 0.768 times x power. So there's an exponential equation that goes through both points 0, comma 1 and 3, comma 10.